The following autopsies were performed over the course of 2 weeks by some beta creatures. Samantha Higgins, 22 years old, was born in the year 2000 and died in the year 2022 due to a tumor. This is how she looked after the attack. Due to the crudeness of the real images, they will not be shown. Alejandro Smith, 28 years old, born in the year 1995 and died in the year 2023. His cause of death was a dark watcher. Mike Mondes, 20 years old, was born in the year 2000 and died in the year 2020. His cause of death was a knife snake.